Preposition exercises, place. Are you ready? Let's go! Please pick the right answer. Time's up. This is the right answer. We are sitting at the table. Next one. Time's up. This is the right answer. Why are all these clothes on the bed? Next one. Time's up. This is the right answer. Please put the clothes in the wardrobe. Are you subscribed yet? Next one. Time's up. This is the right answer. Are they at home? Next one. Time's up. This is the right answer. Where's Tom? He's under the car. Next one. Time's up. This is the right answer. It's the third door on the left. Final one. Let's go. Select the right answers. Time's up. These were the right answers. The remote is over the table next to the sofa. That is it. How well did you score? Tell us in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. We will see you next time.